Hi everyone, Network Guru here with another video for you. Today I'm going to show you how to find the recently deleted album in the Photos app on iOS 18. With iOS 18, a lot has changed, especially in the Photos app, and you may have noticed that the layout is different. If you're wondering where the albums used to be, don't worry, I'll show you exactly how to find them. First, open the Photos app to your library. Instead of tapping any of the main options, scroll all the way to the bottom of the page. Keep scrolling past sections like people, memories, trips, and eventually you'll reach a section called Utilities. In the Utilities section, you'll see the recently deleted album. Tap on it, and you'll be prompted to enter your phone's passcode or your Face ID. Once you're in, you'll see all your recently deleted photos and videos stored here. Keep in mind that these items are saved for up to 40 days before being permanently deleted. If you want to recover anything, simple tap select, choose the files you want to restore, and tap three dots icon and choose recover photo. Alternatively, you can delete them permanently from the here as well. And that's it. I'll see you in the next one.